Hello everyone! Whether you're creating YouTube tutorials, recording gameplay, making online courses, or capturing video calls, a good screen recorder can make all the difference. The good news? You don't need expensive software to get professional quality recordings. Today, we're counting down the top 5 best screen recorders for PC in 2026. Let's get started. Number 5. Xbox Game Bar. If you're using Windows 10 or Windows 11, you already have a screen recorder built into your computer. Xbox Game Bar is simple, lightweight, and perfect for recording games or applications without installing anything. It supports microphone recording, captures gameplay smoothly, and completely free. While it doesn't offer advanced editing features, it's a great option for beginners. Number 4. ShareX. ShareX is one of the most powerful free screen recording tools available. It's open source, completely free, and packed with features. Besides recording your screen, it can capture screenshots, create GIFs, automate workflows, and upload files directly to cloud services. Although the interface may look complicated at first, it's incredibly powerful once you learn how to use it. Number 3. Camtasia. If you're looking for an all-in-one screen recorder and video editor, Camtasia is an excellent choice. It combines high-quality screen recording with professional editing tools, transitions, animations, and effects. Many educators, businesses, and YouTubers use Camtasia to create polished tutorials and presentations. It's a paid software, but its ease of use makes it worth considering for serious creators. Number 2. Bandicam. Bandicam has been a favorite among gamers and content creators for years. It offers excellent video quality while keeping file sizes relatively small. Whether you're recording gameplay, software tutorials, or webinars, Bandicam delivers smooth performance with minimal impact on your computer. It also supports webcam overlays, scheduled recording, and hardware acceleration for better performance. Number 1. OBS Studio. Taking the top spot is OBS Studio. OBS Studio is completely free, open source, and trusted by millions of creators worldwide. It offers professional quality screen recording, live streaming, multiple scenes, audio mixing, webcam support, and endless customization options. Whether you're recording tutorials, streaming games, creating YouTube videos, or broadcasting live events, OBS Studio can handle it all. The learning curve is slightly higher than other software, but once you understand the basics, it's one of the most powerful recording tools available. Final thoughts. Choosing the right screen recorder depends on your needs. If you want something built into Windows, choose Xbox Game Bar. For a powerful free tool, ShareX is a fantastic option. If you need professional editing, Camtasia is worth the investment. For gamers, Bandicam delivers excellent performance. But if you want the best combination of features, quality, and flexibility, OBS Studio remains the number 1 choice. No matter your experience level, there's a screen recorder on this list that fits your workflow. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and let us know in the comments which screen recorder you use. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.